the next day.
Good morning. So, day 2, on my way back to go finish up this timing belt job. It's fucking 10 o'clock already. I slept in, I kind of fucked myself. My back is fucking killing me, so it's whatever. I'm gonna head back, start cleaning everything up, and popping in all the new seals. And going from there, assembling the engine, hopefully filling it back up with coolant. So, see you guys at the shop. So, welcome back, and I'm working on getting the spark plugs out now. I went ahead and vacuumed the spark plug valley and the cylinder head with my shop back there, and here's the first spark plug. That thing is this thing has like a 2-inch gap. Not to mention it's covered in fucking oil. Holy shit. I don't know how this car is running, but she's gonna be fucking mint by the time I'm done with it, so. Holy shit, dude. Fuck, it's a lot of oil. Wow, that's insane. Like each and every one of them is covered in fucking oil. At least they have fucking Denzos. That's good. Every time I do a spark plug job like this on a car, like especially a 2J, I always kind of like make a bet with myself, like what kind of plugs am I gonna find? It's gonna be like some junk fucking like Autolite or Motorcraft or fucking God knows what the fuck, but not bad. It's got Denzos in it. Now the real question is, are those like the spark plugs that they left the factory with or what? I don't know, but the gap, the first one is completely missing the little electrode. Number 1, number 3, 4 is gone, and 6 is barely there. I'm sorry, 5 is gone. 4 is there, and 2 looks, still has the electrode. These are fucking junk. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep them for the customer so you can see them. That's crazy. But anyways. Right now I'm gonna get these. Right now I'm gonna get these valve covers on. I'm gonna clean up the area. Put my silicone on the number 1 camshaft caps. Once the valve covers are on, I'm gonna start these cam seals and crank seal. So let's get on it.
A few moments later.
All right, so I had to take some time to help Randy out. I wanted to put some brand new headlights in his Toyota Soar. Not brand new. He bought some IS300 lights that were a lot cleaner than what he had now. So anyways, back to work. He just left, went ahead, pushed out the old coolant antifreeze through the drain in the block and through the front with the garden hose. Cleaned up the valve covers real nice. Well, as good as it's gonna get, you know, without sandblasting and powder coating, but that's for another time. Anyways, time to put these valve cover gaskets in. There's one part number. There's the other part number. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these in. And where is it? Boom. Good old fucking Toyota RTV FPIG, I think it's called, or FGPI, whatever the fuck it is. Good shit. So, mind you, this is only gonna go on a spot here on the cylinder head and here. Same thing on this side. Do not lay a bead all the way around. That's incorrect. And the gasket's not gonna seat right. Only where it goes around the camshaft. So do that, get these valve covers on. I'll start working on these seals, and then I can rebuild the DVTI cam gear with this O-ring set from Drift Motion. So let's get to it. Alright guys, guess what? It's fucking raining again. Got the exhaust side valve cover on, and I kind of forgot to do this step, but I wanted to give you guys a little tip for success. Let me put it right here so you guys can see me. The valve cover bolts look like junk. They're nasty. So, little tip. Get yourself a Gatorade bottle, or any bottle with a wide mouth on it, so you can get things in and out of it easy. Dropping one. Alright. Get them all in there. Mineral spirits, aka parts washer stuff. Drop it in there. You don't have to fill it up, but just enough so that the bolts, the hardware is submerged under it. Put your cap. Give her a little shaky. I should have did this last night before I left and let the bolts sit in it. But my back was hurting, I was tired, so fuck it. Anyways, let me get this a little shaky, and we'll cut back up from there. Alright, so got both valve covers on. Let's check out these bolts. Look at that, dude. They look brand fucking new. I could have gone a little bit more, you know, but for the most part, they're fucking mint. So let's dry them off and get them in the car. There you go, fucking mint. much it. The whole front of the engine is pretty much assembled. All that's left now is install the spark plugs, coil packs, flip that white pipe back on top, put his intake on, put the radiator in, fill it up with fluids, and that's it. Send it on our way. So, all right, so finally the time has come. She's all back together. Putting some coolant in her. Everything went pretty smoothly. Timing's on point. Checked it fucking 3 times. No leftover bolts. Pretty good. I didn't even have to pull some out of my stash to replace them that were already missing when the car came in. So she's complete. After this, I'm just gonna do a quick oil change, which is the very last thing I'm gonna do, and then fire it back up. So we keep adding some more. So let's drain this oil. Super quiet. She fired right up. So, as expected. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm letting it get up to operating temp right now. Let her suck down a little bit more coolant. I got the heater on full blast, so it circulates through the heater core. Get all the air bubbles out. Because, you know, I did a complete drain and flush of coolant through the cylinder head and the cylinder block. So, with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and call up the customer right now. Tell him his baby is ready to be picked up and fucking raged. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Those of you wondering, my back is doing a lot better. That's why I was able to finish this vehicle today. You know, thanks for that. And Armsec Automotive on Instagram. Hit me up for a sticker. Peace.